This is a bobbin case. This is the bobbin case. This is your bobbin. I know in the market they say shuttle and rilla. Don't say that at OSC. That's the wrong name. Bobbin and the bobbin case. Okay? Now, your bobbin is where you will reel thread on. That's why they say rilla. No. You are reeling the thread on your bobbin. Then you insert it in your bobbin case like so. There's a hole here. Okay? For those of you who have it separate, this hole must go into this part here. Then you put it inside. The thread that is dangling, if you study your bobbin case, you will see this line. This line here, pass the thread through it, through this metal part, and it will be dangling like this. Now, when it's dangling like this, you will test that it is the correct tightness. You will do it up and down, like this. Don't let it fall out of it. Up and down. If it's not moving, it is too tight. If it is not moving, it is too tight. So it means you will loosen this screw a little so that you will feel it moving a bit. Okay, if it moves and it comes down by itself, then it is the right tightness. It's not meant to come down and follow. It should just be, as I'm moving it, it should be coming out properly. That is how to fix your bobbin into your bobbin case. Don't say shuttle. So the correct way to put in the bobbin, look at this hole. Can you see this part?
Yes.
The hole on your bobbin,
yes.
You're going to put it to fit in there. However, this part, let's see the bobbin. Turn the bobbin to the side. Yes, no. Now, this part must be facing you like this. Okay? This part will face up. This part that opens.
Face me.
Yes, we face you. So take and insert it into this place. And you must hear a click. Just put it in. No. It's not facing the right way. You must remember that this part will be up here, will be facing in. And you will hear a click. Can you hear that click? So remove it and try it again. To reel thread into your bobbin. So you put the bobbin, you wrap the thread around it a bit once or twice. Then you put it into the reeling apparatus that comes with your industrial machine. So you put it in, then you push it to the back. Push it to the back. So you see that it locks. Then put the thread, if it comes out, put the thread around it.
The thread has to be.
Now you start to press the right way is to hold the thread. Now roll with a hand wheel. That's the hand wheel. Roll it in and keep rolling till the thread under comes off. You have done something wrong. Right way to bring the thread from the bobbin up. So put your hand on the hand wheel, hold this thread and roll the hand wheel. So you roll the hand wheel so that the needle will pull up pull. You're not pulling the thread. You see, it has come up. Good. It's enough. Now bring out that thread. Very good. So the right way now is that this one will be on top. This will be under. The two of them we pass through this line here and pass to the back. Okay, the thread should be long enough to pass here, and when you finish sewing, the thread too should be long enough to pass here, and then you cut. If not, if it's too short, each time you want to sew, it will be coming out of your needle.